Hello, hi, I'm Suresh Shinde. Basically, I'm from Kolhapur. I completed B from TMM College of Engineering, Jaisimpur in 2019. I want to have job in MNC, so that Evision helped me a lot, as it was a long gap. Job searching is very difficult, but I get chance through Evision Techno Server in Vision. I had joined online job internship on 28th October 2022. I got selected for a SCS Tech India Limited with salary offered 2.4 lakh per annum. I just envision TechnoServo is a great platform to grow myself. The trainers are very helpful. They support and motivate me to learn something new. In just 45 days training, I have learned many IT technology like CCNA, Windows Administrator, virtualization. They covered the theory part of these technologies as well practical knowledge. Last but not least, thank you, Vision and all placement team.